What is going on, guys? Mcfgotmillk here. Welcome back to another car video. Today it's going to be simple things you can do with WD40 on your motor vehicle. Before we get started, I just want to make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe for more. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing you can do with WD40 is your locks. Just because WD40 you think is a lubricant and get in there and clog it, that's not true. Nowadays they make WD40 that's a lubricant, a cleaner, and it like displaces water, so it gets water out. So everything that's wet, I'll show in the future, but you're not gonna clog it. So you can literally just clean it out. There you go, better lubricated lock. Another thing you can do is your little key well, just put WD-40, don't push all the way in, but just there. Just lubricate that up. That's another thing you can do with WD-40 to make sure that your key lock is nice and good. More common sense, your little door connectors, there you go. Spray that, lubricate it, good to go. I'm not gonna take the wheel off, but let's say for example you have an old car, it's rusted to the wheel well pretty much. You take your bolts off, won't come off, spray some WD-40 in there. And what you can do, just give it a nice kick or punch or whatever you want to do, it should come right off. But make sure when it comes off is you spray on the opposite side of the wheel so it comes off easier next time if you have to take off the tire. Next thing, let's say you go through a puddle, car won't go, car stalls, whatever. Usually it's because you got water in the electrical system. So what you want to do is you can easily spray that out, because once again, WD-40 is a water displacer and a lubricant, so it will push the water out and it should be starting again. Or you can just lubricate and make sure that these are nice and clean, because again, it cleans. The next thing is I'm not a big fan of, so I'm not gonna do it complete to a big spot. But for example, let's say you have paint that is not so shiny. You can literally spray some WD-40 on it, polish it, and it's literally completely shinier than it was before. The only thing is it does not last. Next rainfall, whatever, it's gonna come right off. So you wanna be careful. So when you buy a used car, for example, a lot of people like to put WD-40 all over the car and wax it. And it looks nice and shiny, like, oh wow, the paint's really good, when actually, a couple days later, like, wow, the paint is actually absolute crap, because they just WD-40 it, polish it, make it nice and buffed up, and it's completely nice, smooth, and clean. Lastly on my list is the inner doors right here. Due to the fact that with the Fords, they get rusty for no reason, for some reason. Again, water displacer, and it's also anti-rust. It says it on the back if you ever read WD-40. It says anti-rust. So what I like to do is I like to spray all there. You obviously wipe it down, and it pushes all the water out, and it protects the rust. But you don't want to wipe it down just yet, because it says let it soak for a little bit to get full potential protection. Alright guys, I hope you found this helpful. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe for more car videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.